This is National Native News. I'm Antonia Gonzalez. The Fallon Paiute-Shoshone Tribe is expanding healthcare access with a mobile clinic in Nevada. The Mountain West News Bureau's Kaleb Roedel has more on how it's getting tribal patients the healthcare they need.
After years of driving their vehicles to neighboring reservations, the tribe bought a mobile clinic last year. It was funded by a $673,000 grant from the U.S. Department of Agriculture, aimed at expanding rural healthcare access after the pandemic. The tribe's mobile clinic serves its members and drives to the Lovelock, Paiute, and Yomba Shoshone reservations, covering a territory of about 200 miles. It can also treat any member of a tribe in Nevada. John Pashone is the director of the Fallon Tribal Health Center. Pashone says they serve about 2,000 people, averaging about 20 patients each month. They try to visit each tribe at least once a month, but that isn't always easy.
Challenges is weather and distance. They are far away, and during winter, sometimes these areas get a little hard to access.
Mobile health clinics are also being used by the Navajo Nation, the White Mountain Apache Tribe in Arizona, and the Fort Peck tribes in Montana.
I think having the providers go into the community open their eyes to the needs and how to better serve them.
Dr. Christopher Chai is working at the mobile clinic here in Lovelock. He says they can even act as an urgent care for injuries and wounds.
We will get the random rancher come in with a broken finger and say, what do I do with this? Sliced open, and we can put in stitches.
Pashone adds that the clinic also helps tribal members be proactive instead of reactive about their health.
We have some people that maybe only come in when they're sick, but now they're seeing us for their preventative care when we come out.
Like Barbara Bonta, an elder of the Walker River Paiute tribe who lives in Lovelock.
I've been seeing them for my feet and other problems that I didn't know I had till they start testing this and this and that.
Bonta was brought to the mobile clinic by her daughter, Tia Happy.
With my mom, she can't sit for a long time, in a car to go to Fallon or elsewhere to appointments, so it makes it super convenient to have it here when the mobile comes here.
Happy says her mom's been seeing Dr. Chai for the past 2 years, consistent care that's been made possible by this mobile clinic, which isn't slowing down. This year, the clinic plans to add dental care to its services. For National Native News, I'm Kaleb Roedel.
Arizona Governor Katie Hobbs announced last week the launch of the Turquoise Alert System for missing Native Americans. It's a new tool intended to help the state's Department of Public Safety and law enforcement respond when vulnerable people go missing. In May, Hobbs signed legislation creating the alert. It was deployed before its effective date this fall. Hobbs says the tool is a meaningful step to improve the safety and well-being of communities across Arizona, and in particular tribal communities, which have suffered from a crisis of missing and murdered Indigenous people. Tribal leaders were among those to advocate for the alert system. Gila River Indian Community Governor Stephen Lewis took to social media to announce the launch of the Turquoise Alert, saying it's in honor of Emily Pike, a San Carlos Apache teenager who went missing and was later found dead.
I feel the weight of every story of a missing loved one. Now, the creation of the Turquoise Alert System through Emily's Law is deeply meaningful to me and to all tribal communities across Arizona. We have long lived with the painful reality that our Indigenous brothers and sisters, our relatives, go missing at alarming rates and too often slip through the cracks of systems not built to protect them.
Governor Lewis says the Turquoise Alert gives tribal communities a fighting chance to bring their relatives home. The alert will be activated when a person goes missing under unexplained or suspicious circumstances and is believed to be endangered. I'm Antonia Gonzalez.
National Native News is produced by Kawanak Broadcast Corporation with funding by the Corporation for Public Broadcasting.
Support by the Arctic Encounter Symposium, North America's largest Arctic policy event at the Dena'ina Convention Center and Anchorage Museum, July 30th to August 1st in Anchorage, Alaska. Registration for this global conversation at arcticencounter.com. Skugtash. For more than 40 years, Ramona Farms has revived ancient traditional foods, tepary beans, pinoli, polentas, and more, all from store.ramonafarms.com. Ramona Farms supports this show. Tom Yang.
Native Voice One, the Native American Radio Network.